Hey guys, so today we're going to do what's inside my bag. I've been watching those kind of videos and I am quite fond of them. I feel like you could see a sneak peek of their personalities with the items inside their bag. Okay, so I have here my forever favorite Christian Dior booktote that I got since I was college. Then I have here my towel. It's actually a towel from the hotel. Then a cup for the frizzy hair. But sometimes I'm using my sunglass as a hairband. Then of course some plastics. So we can put the wet clothes inside and the bag won't be affected. Especially when it's a designer bag. I also have here my wallet with some cash. It's there. And then alongside with it is my key pouch. I'm using it as a card holder. So I have here my cards. It's fucking thick. Then of course my Sunny Studios. Another plus. Aside from this one, there it's okay. Okay. I don't like a messy bag. I want the things to be organized inside. And then of course I have here my trusted beach hot knocks. I trust this with my life. I also have here my accessories. Like there's from Hen and Mini Shop. I have here these earrings seen with what I am currently wearing. This one so cute. See, it reminds me of the shell on the Little Mermaid when Ursula tried to cut Ariel's voice. And then this one, unusual, something that I wouldn't wear on a daily basis. Such a good excuse to wear this kind of stuff when you're at the beach. And then of course the earrings here. I'm planning to get some earrings, but it's quite painful. My pain tolerance is so low, real low. Then I have here some documents. It's in a PVC pouch, so it wouldn't get wet. Plus won't get folded nor crumpled. I also have here my GoPro. Here, it's actually my dad's. Then of course, my favorite Canon G7X Mark II. There. Then I have here a dust bag with my chargers. See, so it won't be disorganized. And see, that's what's inside my bag.